Late as per usual.
Good things are worth waiting for, mate.
Will you maybe get past the start line this time?
Hopefully.
So I should stand well back.
No, it's fine, he hits the post every time. That left post, he really likes hugging it.
You see that prop thing in it?
Yeah, we're not going just now, don't worry. What? What, a quad? Where's the pilot? Is he there? Is he down? Hurry the fuck up, Rick! Got a racing league to run, son!
Hey!
Did you get a sense of falling, Jack?
Yep. Oh, fence action. Looking at his bar.
Right, come on, gents.
On the hockey! Probably shouldn't change it.
They're on their way up now.
Cool. Alright, does group 1 want to get ready again? Group 1? Hold on. He's not clear yet, is he?
No, almost. Just coming up the stairs now.
Off you come, Rick. Come on, Jake. To your left, please. Alright, so we've got Tommy and then Mark. Alright, ready whenever you are, Adam. Pilot 1 ready? Ready.
Okay.
Right, Tommy.
Switch off your receiver.
Amber.
Your transmitter.
Green! Oh.
You down?
Oh, first, yeah, it's first.
Yeah. Alright, pilot 2 ready?
Amber. Green. Good to go.
Yeah.
Where did it end up?
Keep her interested. Whereabouts have you cut it, right?
So far.
The technique with those unbeatable props is if you hear something, just nail it.
Yeah. I think you're in the right place. It's,
I liked your landing, that was good.
It's windy down there now, really windy.
Bump your P games up, it's fine.